All right, guys, good morning. My name is Chuks Anyanwu, Dr. Chuks Anyanwu. I'm your Forex instructor and your coach. So today I just want to review the market with us. For some time, I've not done video on trade setups. So today I decided to do a video just to give you guys insight of what I'm expecting this week and what my trade processes will follow this week. Okay. All right, so it's an exciting week. First of all, we need to go to the calendar, to the news calendar, and see what is going to happen in the week. You can see that we have an awesome week. Guys should be able to trade a lot of currency pairs this week. Okay, you can see on Monday, apart from this NZD inflation inspection, which has passed. Okay, now it's just almost 11 a.m. Okay, GMT +1. Okay, sorry, let me set this time. I need to refresh this web page. Let me synchronize the system time with the calendar. Okay, so the time is synchronized. You can see here is 10:54 and we have 10:54 here, so the time is synchronized. All right, so guys, if you look at the calendar, you see that we don't have much news activity. Red calendar, red news activity for today. All right. If you look at Tuesday, we just have Great British Pound by 8 a.m. Okay, so guys who are trading this currency pair, any pair that has GBP, you should be mindful of this news. Okay, then on Wednesday, we have the AUD. Okay, for you guys who are trading the Asian session, okay, you should be mindful of that. Then by 2:30 p.m., we have the CPI, news data, coming out. The CPI is a very high impact news. So guys, if you're in the trade, be careful of this news. Okay. All right. The other FOMC meetings. All right. So there is this expectation that interest rate is going to be cut. Okay. So inflation in the US is just within the plan. Okay. So it's the economy is doing solidly well. Okay. Now on Tuesday we have the Australian dollar, okay, and the United States dollar core PPI. Okay, these are high impact news, guys. Okay, so unemployment claims is a high impact news, guys. So should be careful when you're trading on Tuesday. All right. Then on Friday we have the GDP data. Okay, and the USD core retail sales. These are high impact news. Okay, all right. So guys, this is an outlook. This is what the week is going to look like. So guys, this is where you start from. Okay, you have to be mindful of red news events so that you know when exactly you can hit the buy or sell button. Okay, all right. So this taken out of the way, we can look at the charts now. Okay. Okay, so for those of you who are going to trade the USD card, okay, you can see that the dollar is, it has a major strong, impact on, has a very stronger, position, considering its pair with CAD, okay, Canadian dollar. You can see the USD is doing pretty well. Okay, so let's just go to the higher time frame so that you understand what I'm talking about. So if you go to the higher time frame, sorry, my system is slow, or the network has been slow today. Okay, so let's give it time to. Okay, this might take some time, so let's just leave that. So okay, here is the dollar index. Okay, so if you look at the dollar index, you see that the dollar index is showing a great sign of bullish structure. Okay, if you see what the market is doing, you see that the market is overly bullish. Okay, so the dollar has been doing pretty well. Okay. And so that's why you see that calendar, that's why you see that chart in that massive bullish structure. Okay, I don't know what's happening to MT4 this morning. You know, it's been pretty slow. It's difficult for me to move from one currency pair to another. All right, so maybe what I have to do, let me just look at it, you know, short, there's some trade setup that I have, you know, I have taken. Okay, so UJ, I took a UJ trade this morning. Okay, so guys, this is the setup. Okay, you know, if you look at the chart, you see that you know, I took a buy trade on this in this market. Okay, now what are my confluence factors? Okay, you can see this is a falling wedge. Okay, in an up trading market. If you look at this market, you see that the market is bullish. Okay, so for this market to be bullish, that means that you should look for buy opportunity in the market. Okay, so that said, you know, my trade setup were in tune with what the overall market structure is doing. So I went for a buy opportunity when I saw the setup. So let me just show you let me just discuss this setup with you guys. Okay, all right, so when market did this for this wedge, okay, I was waiting for a breakout. So when the breakout happened and retested 61.8 Fibonacci, I didn't see this trade setup, so I didn't take it. But somehow I took the trade. I decided to leave this market to, you know, to play out more. Okay, so I waited. So when price broke above the 38.2 Fibonacci, I put back to retest it and printed a bullish engulfing candle. So I saw an opportunity, you know, to go long in this market. Okay, so guys, I went long. So my confluence factors are the overall market structure is bullish. Okay, high time market structure is bullish. Okay, and if you look at if you be following the news, you see that the dollar has been quite strong. Okay, the dollar has been quite strong over the other currency pairs. Okay, so it's buying any, you know, it's buying all the way for currency pairs that have dollar, United States dollar as the base currency, is buy all the way. Okay, so we did it. I took a buy trade. Okay, so when I took that buy trade, I saw that the market was indeed going to pull up. Okay, I expect some minor, you know, some minor setback. Okay, or rather retracement. Okay, so if it happens, okay, I'll still be in the market. Okay, so one thing I want you guys to be mindful of: monitor your trade. Monitor your trade. If the price hits your stop loss, look for other opportunities to enter in that direction. Okay, don't just give up. Okay, don't just give up. So I made sure that I traded in line with proper risk management. Okay, so I put my stop loss here below this major swing low. Okay, below this major swing low. I think my entry to this take profit is about 55 pips. Okay, so if you see that, let's check it out. Okay, it's about 55 pips, guys. Okay, so what I did was that I used the position size calculator. Okay, and I calculated my position size. Okay, all right. So if you know what I'm saying, okay, you must make sure you apply proper risk management. Okay, apply proper risk management. All right. So I use the position size calculator. So just come to babypips.com, under tools, get the position size calculator. Okay, so what I did was that I put all the information here. I'm only going to risk, I only risk 1%. Okay, so it gave me one micro lot size, you know, for my lot sizing. So I came back to MetaTrader and imputed the trade. Okay, I use one micro lot size. Okay, I make sure that my stop loss is in line with my risk management plan. So I place stop loss 55 pips below entry, you know, below the entry price, and I target the first structure level The market is slightly, this trade is slightly over 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, so I'm good with it. All right. So, and if you notice that there is this major support level here that's, you know, price broke resistance of the Fibonacci 38.2 and pulled back and printed a bullish engulfing candle. So these are my signals, guys. I hope you guys can see the setup. Okay, but let me just expand this chart and show you. Okay, you see these are my trade signals. Okay, bullish engulfing at this structure level. Okay, if you look at the market properly, you see that was exactly what this market did. Okay, Fibonacci levels are very strong key levels. Okay, so guys, I trade with Fibonacci. Okay. All right, so if you see the setup, this is a wonderful setup, guys. Okay, we want to keep our fingers crossed. We are all hoping for the best. Okay, so let's see. If you look at the dollar index, the chart has opened. So guys, if you look at the dollar index, you see that on the H hour, on the H4, you know, time frame, the dollar index is bullish. Okay, if you also look at the Euro USD, that's another currency pair that I want to trade. If you look at the daily chart, you see that the market closed bearish. Okay, last week. Okay, and it has broken structure. Okay, let's even assume that this is a new structure level, because I can see that this is a new structure level. So price is coming to test this level. Okay, price is coming to test this level, so I expect to see, you know, I'll wait for further price action. Okay, because you can see that we have a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, head and shoulder pattern. Okay, head and shoulder. Okay, so price has broken the neckline. Okay, and has come to retest it. So I expect this market to drop down to this key level here. Okay, I expect market to get to this level. All right, so I'll be angling for a sell opportunity, guys. Okay, angling for a sell opportunity. We can actually short this market right here. Okay, you can actually short it here, but where you're going to put your stop loss is going to be a challenge for some people. I will put my stop loss somewhere above this structure level, even though that may be too far away from entry. But let me show you what I mean. If it's more than 50 pips, or it's more than 50 pips, that's not going to be a very good trade. Okay, your risk to reward ratio will be very small, and it will not be profitable. Okay, so I don't advise you to do that. Okay, so but just keep your fingers crossed and watch this market. Okay, watch this setup. Okay, you can see that there's a structure level here. I expect price to come and do its thing here. So I'm going to pay attention to what price is going to do here, guys. Okay, I want to see what price will do here. Okay, I must see a clear break to the downside. Perhaps I wait for a retest of the structure before I can take a trade. Okay, you can see all the setup have been clear. Price broke this trend line, came and retested it. These were all clear entry, you know, signals. You know, for those of us who are trading this instrument, I didn't trade this EU. I rather went for UJ. Okay. So these are the trade setup for this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just drop your comments at the comment section. Okay, I'll find time to respond to them. Okay, if you like this video, just give me a like and subscribe to this channel if you have not. Okay, so that I can do more videos for you guys. Okay, all right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know. Okay, all right. But thank you very much, and do have a wonderful trading week, guys. Bye bye, and God bless.